Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Uber Eats promo code for the month of October. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here Uber Eats promo code. So let me search Uber Eats promo for October. Okay, 2022. Okay, once you've done that, you simply need to open a website, and here you can find different promo codes for the month of October. You simply need to copy that code. Okay, and then you need to open Uber Eats, and you need to apply that code here, and you simply need to use that, and you must fulfill the condition of the code to use that. So this is the process by which you can get Uber Eats promo code or coupon codes. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.